This video will show you how to set up products and the reasons for recommendation within the LetGen system. This is to ensure that your letters accurately reflect the reasons that you have recommended the product to your client within their suitability letter. Firstly, select the Product Setup and Fund Selections tab, and then choose the type of product you wish to set up. In this instance, we'll select ISA and then press the Add button to create a blank template screen. Under the first tab, we can select a provider if we have input any before, or choose to add a new provider. Simply type the provider name into the relevant box and add the product name underneath, for example, Maxi ISA. We can then move on to the reasons that we have recommended this provider and this product. To assist you in setting up the reasons for recommendation, we have included several defaults within the LetGen system. However, it's very simple to delete these by clicking the delete key next to any of those which you do not feel to be relevant. It may be that you are happy with the reason within the LetGen system, but not necessarily the wording, in which case it's easy to delete our template wording and include your own. Finally, you can click Add Other Reason to generate a completely new reason for recommendation, as appropriate to your needs. The next step in the process is to insert the fund names which you use for this product provider and product type. It's possible to insert 5 funds for each asset class into the system. It's also important to note that you should include funds into each and every sector which you have included in your asset allocation setup, as this will mean that once you have set up your product and your asset allocation, your funds and risk levels will automatically be pulled through into each client letter. If there are any asset classes which you do not use across your spectrum of risk levels, just leave these fields blank. Once you have inputted all of the fund names, simply press save, and again the green banner will appear at the top of the page, indicating that your product has been successfully saved. Should you change your funds in the future, it's very easy to edit the product. Simply delete the relevant fields and replace with your new funds. Again, press save and the product will be updated for future use.